In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the owner in your ClickUp space. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, what we're going to do is to hover your mouse on one of our spaces. Let's say I have this theme space right here. So to access the settings of this space, we're simply going to click here on the space settings and then hover our mouse on more and then click on all space settings. From here, we should see the current owner of this space. So as of now, the owner is me. However, we can change this to other members. As you can see, this is one of our members right here. So by clicking on him, then saving the changes, we've successfully changed the owner of this space. As easy as that. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.